Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create an in-depth review about this website called MailBlaze. MailBlaze is a platform that helps you with your email campaign. Think of it as a tool to contact many customers at once. You can send content like newsletter or update. It is built for business owners who want professional emails. You can also use a template to make your own. It's an opportunity to grow your own client base. And also they deliver an exceptional approach to email. You get regular update. You can manage your account on their website. They also have a clear price. It's all about making communication easier. Now talking about the key features about this platform, MailBlast offers a suite of unique features designed to streamline your email marketing. So let's explore the 5 key tools that make this email platform stand out, and these tools enhance your email experience and boost your engagement. So one of these enhanced experience key features is a free email template together with an AI powered content and a campaign report together with an email automation and a subscriber form editors. Now talking about the pricing plan, they have about 4 to 5 pricing plan. They have a free trial plan, they have a Ember plan, they have a flame plan, and they also have a viral plan. So you can just get back to the website for you to understand the breakdown of each plan to decide which of this plan is going to be the best plan for your business or your email marketing campaign. And talking about the pro and con, it is good to understand both the good and the bad side of a website to help you make an informed decision or informed choice about a platform. So I'm going to create a overview key features about this platform. So let's talk about the advantages of this platform. It is easy to use, which is complete and easy to use interface. Also designed to suit many needs. It also comes with an AI content to save times, automation features, streamline tasks, and details report shows results. Now talking about the downside, which is the plan has a limited contact. Some advanced features cost more, support response times vary, and limited integration in a basic plan. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thanks.